All right, let's work on ba, ba. Okay, itself means a place. So ba de in at the beginning. So ba looks like this. Okay, and then in the middle, ba looks like this. And then de is a preposition word in, at, on, from, anyone you can think of. It's all de in the Manchu language. Ba de everywhere. Okay, so and in the end, so aba. Okay, aba means to hunt, like a hunting. It also means where as an adverb. Okay, so let's work on be. Just repeat ba. You put a dot here. So this is a be. Let's see, at the beginning, be looks like this. Be. Okay, so there's one word called a ri. Okay, so this is ri, and then yi, so it means a bow and arrow, bow for shooting. Okay, and then bu in the middle. Let's say bu in the middle, dum bei. Okay, so dum bei. Okay, so this is a bei, so this is bu in the middle. Let's say bu in the end. Du bu. Yeah, du bu itself means end. Very interesting. Okay, so de wu du. Just look at it like this way. Remember this whole thing as a syllable. De wu du. Okay, du. And then bu in the end. Du bu. It means the end, the bottom. Okay, let's see. B means I. Okay, like I and me, I. So the Mongolian language also has this word, also means I. Okay, B. All right, so B in at the beginning. So at the beginning, let's see. So B and Ra. Okay, this is river. B at the beginning. Okay, so B in the middle. Let's see. 투친비, 터우투. Okay, 터우투 and 더우두, you see the difference is a dot. Just remember this. All right, so 투치무비, 터치이치, so this is yi in the middle. 투치무비, 무비 is the original form of a verb. So tu chi mu bi. Now you see b, this b in the end. Okay, let me give you another example. Tachimubi. This is a very common word. Tachimubi. Oh, sorry. Should be this ta. Okay, ta chimubi chimubi. So this is b in the end. Ta chimbi is the same. Chimbi is to learn. Okay, tu chimbi is to go out, to appear.